Change of plans, we're taking this car. We have finally left in the infamous backbreaking. This is a good vibe. Oi, oi, the sweaters are out. Guten Morgen fam, it's 6 in the morning and today we're actually leaving for Shimla and I think the monsoon might have receded, but let's say it's still overcast. Head to Shimla, chill for 3 nights and just relax. That's pretty much the plan for the weekend, and more than me, I think the parents need it. I've relaxed quite a bit, but the parents need it. Barely slept last night. I'll sleep on the way, no problem. When Papa drives, I'll sleep and just check in and relax. That's the plan. We know Shimla is a city, so I think we'll just enjoy the property. I'll take you through the property as well. So it's going to be a pretty interesting day, and we'll just wind up the quick consultation call and then back and get started, right? I think we'll be taking the SUV because we have no idea what the roads might be like. But how's it going? How are things?
What happens if you're breaking out and just sticking around the breakout zone and not doing anything? Coming a little below, going a little higher, that's terrible character. Show me direction.
Tadu goi mainya, tadu goi mainya, gandu tadu goi mainya. Pecking, shucking going on. Papa, are you excited? Are you excited?
मेरा तो डबल काम है इसलिए मुझे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Check the way it's raining. It's pouring. And apparently Shimla is all sunny. Now I shall take a matha. And it's just super hard leaving the kids at home, man. That's like the hardest goodbye. They're all sad, they see suitcases and they get melancholic. But we'll be back very shitty. It stopped raining and I think the weather's gonna clear up. This is the last of the monsoon. And these are the scarves I'm taking inside because if anyone wants their pick, the red one, which is so loud, was a gift from a very loud friend called Namita Tapadia in Pune. Yeah. So what I essentially prayed for that Guru Maharaj, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਚ ਚੱਲੇ ਆਏ, ਪਲਾਨ ਵੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਚ ਬਣਿਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਚ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਮਿਹਰ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੱਥ ਰੱਖੀ. You know, if there's something untoward that may happen, just be the wind at our back and ਫਿਰ ਆਪੇ ਸਭ ਹੋ ਜਾਊ. Okay, yeah, the bags are in the car. Let us go. I will miss you, मेरी जान. I will miss you the most, मेरी जानू. चोचिका बोचिका बोचिका. ऐचिका का ध्यान रख लेना, इसे वॉकिंग करा देना. Let us go. Yes. फिट आएगा? आ जाओ जी. बड़े अच्छे से फिट हो गया. Oh, that is marvelous. That is sheer beauty. वाह. Let's go, son. ये मैंने फिक्स किया.
हम कभी रुके, हम रास्ते में रुकेंगे क्या?
मन किया तो रुकेंगे, नहीं मन किया तो नहीं रुकेंगे. तो क्या हो गया, ढाबे पे ही तो रुकना. Shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, change of plans, we're taking this car. Now let's see if the luggage fits, because the luggage space is not entirely excellent. Office bags कैसे आएंगे?
सब आते हैं.
So let's see how this goes. This naturally fits. Okay. Alright, this isn't fitting either. So now we take the Fortuner. There's no option.
तो फिर क्या करो? फॉर्च्यूनर में जा रहे हो?
Yeah. But naturally it's very upsetting that we have to go in that car. We've traveled long distances in that car. So when we say it's uncomfortable, it is. And it's our third Fortuner, right? And why do we keep buying it? Because it's good for the plant. Anyway, but there must be some wisdom to this. This too is God's plan. So just this morning, like I said, I prayed, तेरे हुक्म च चले आ, तेरे हुक्म च आवांगे, जे ओदा हुक्म है असी उस गड्डी च जाइए. And that's precisely what we shall do. See you. बच्चों का ध्यान रखना. We have finally left in the infamous back-breaking Fortuner. And it's just not me. Everyone thinks it's a back-breaking vehicle. So it's yes, and thank God we have the vehicles to switch. Grateful always. यार एक पिलो ले लेना चाहिए था. The audience is aware. The Range Rover has battery issues. Why will I hide such pertinent information? And the E-Class just wouldn't fit our luggage. But also, if we stuff the luggage somewhere with 4 vehicle, the car gets lowered. It would just scrape every khadda. But it's okay. God's plan. Now to soothe our nerves, we'll play some shuffle. Bro, we were planning to get the E-Class, but you have to check the road out. It's beautiful. It's marvelous. It's what we pay taxes for. I would have turned around. वापस घर चले जा. You were getting the E-Class in this. पापा आप कैसे सोच सकते थे E-Class आई? नहीं आती भाई हर जगह नहीं चला. It's not a car meant for these roads. The amount of taxes we pay to get such khaddas. Yes, but to be very fair, we pay taxes for what's ahead also, because we shouldn't just show one side of the picture. That's also pretty. Now this is pretty good. But what's happening for the best? Now we start our manifestation process for a full-size SUV. It has been 1.5 hours on the road. We will do a quick Toyota Fortuner review. How would you rate the comfort levels?
Uncomfortable. I'm just trying to sleep. I can't sleep.
Every bump in the road shakes you up. Good. Like your insides also shake.
रेंज रोवर में भी ये होता है, खड्डे बहुत बड़े-बड़े हैं.
Range Rover में इतना नहीं होता. But yes, the road is kind of broken, so I'm very happy we didn't destroy the E-Class on this road. The Evoque is supremely comfortable. You know, independently, if I research, which we did for E-Class, if I did that for Evoque, I would have never bought it. We bought it without test driving it. It has zero features. There's no feature in the car. There's no ventilated seats. But it's the most comfortable car I've come across. And the music system is banging and the drive is beautiful. So, man, honestly, what a car. Restroom break, boys. Let's go. Okay, so Jasmine and I are gonna start a splitwise because we're splitting this entire trip. So me being the decent man, I thought we'll split the hotel tariff and food. But अभी हमने refuel किया for 5,300 rupees. She's like ये भी डाल दे. So you know, ये शरीफ तो है वैसे. अब जो हम रास्ते में चाय चुई पियेंगे, अगर कैश में दी तो ठीक है, वरना वो भी स्प्लिट होगा.
मैं एक बात पूछूं आपसे, कितने के कमरे बुक हुए?
1.5, 1.6.
फिर आप एक काम करो.
हाँ.
हैं?
हाँ.
नाराज मत हो ना.
हाँ.
खाने का बिल आप दे देना.
हाँ.
ये 1,60,000 रुपए
हाँ.
प्लस 1 लाख रुपए वो,
1.5
2.5 लाख रुपए आपके वहीं पर शिमला में बैठे हुए मैं ट्रांसफर कर दूंगा केजी का. आपको ये 1.5 लाख होटल का स्टे मेरी तरफ से होगा, खर्चा आप पे और आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए पैसे होंगे.
कूल. मैथ इसको समझा देना. मुझे मैथ्स नहीं समझ आती, पर ठीक है, एज यू से.
जो बुड्ढू ठीक है.
पापा बाद में समझूंगी, अभी तो मेरा दिमाग भी मैथ नहीं कर रहा है.
It's raining. It's raining. Business is booming, boys. People owe me money. 1,000 USD.
ये जो
And it shows up here. Better pay up, baby.
ये अंग्रेजों को टाइम.
वरना इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करूंगा. And we are in Nahan currently. It's raining. And this is a wonderful meal on the road. We got aloo di sabzi, achar and parathe. And Bapu stopped here for some work. ये लो.
तुम लो ना.
आप पहले खाओ. Kitty Junju. Oh, you're so Jundar. Hey, Jundar Mundar. आजा तुझे फुदा दे. आजा. पता तू ओची का जे छाई फुजा खा रहा है. ओची का जे छाई तू. Hello, Lucy. Eat banana. You eat banana. No, you don't eat banana. You want bikut. There's an insane landslide. So hungry, man. We should have left sooner. Really craving a sandwich and a coffee. It's 4 p.m. We'll reach by 5:30. So very soon we'll be talking about our Tesla trade and how there's been so many catalysts, right? Elon buying 1 billion shares. They launched something called the Mega Pack.
Mega block.
Mega block. So a lot of catalysts. And IBD had posted an article on 12th September that the stock is past its buy point. We bought it a day prior actually because there was a clear VCP. So anyway, it's going to be a very interesting study, and that just shows you that a lot of news is being discounted because you see buying patterns, and you just need to know 1 or 2 or 3 proper patterns to really make a difference in your portfolio, and that makes you believe in technicals. Everyone looks into the camera. It's so much fun. Hello, Anand. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. It's entirely wooden, huh? This is so good.
Yeah, because it's so exhausted, we needed something warm.
Garam garam. Actually, the last stretch exhausted us. After Cecil, Shimla was very crowded. Until Cecil, we were damn comfy. We're happy to be here now, and look how stunning this looks.
Like the guided nature walk that happens twice a day. One would be at 7:30 and one is at 4 o'clock. So it's a 3-kilometer walk, 1.5 going and 1.5 coming back. It's
Okay.
a little bit uphill and down. And yoga session at 8:45. This will happen in the Lawrence Hall -1.
Private activity, hiking. How much is hiking?
So these are
How
the
long?
chargeable activities, sir. So hiking, it depends on the weather as well because the roads are very slippery. It's a little bit uphill and down. 4,400 plus taxes.
No. How long is it?
Approximately 2 hours.
Okay, nice.
And then we have archery. Archery happens just outside the lawn. It's 50. And then we have a heritage tour and also mountain terrain.
Great, let's go. Okay.
We have an activities menu in the room as well.
Gym is the same or it's updated now?
It's the same.
It's the same?
Yes,
So
mine.
sad. Such a sad gym.
This will be
Room tour. Okay, the balcony looks nice. Yeah, Jasmine insisted and I'm like, extra खर्चे क्यों करने हैं भाई? अच्छा, we just step out. खिड़की से ही. Boom! Balcony is sweet. Nice. This is a good vibe. A lot of privacy as well. And down there, oh, that's the restaurant. Brilliant. Oh, they have a lawn tennis court as well.
We also have a CP outside if you like to have a bonfire outside as well.
Yeah, we would love that because it's very cold.
इसमें भले चेयर लग सकती है और सुबह की
अच्छा, 2 और? हाँ, वो लगा दो.
चारों तो बैठेंगे तभी ना
हाँ, मुझे तो लगा मैं यहीं कहीं बैठ जाएंगे. Okay, let's see our room. Ours is also nice because we get a nice view of the lawn. This is also beautiful. Okay, this doesn't open. Yeah, please. That's the bathroom. Room is right there. A tub, the WC, and the bathing area. Okay, cool. Cecil bathrooms are way better. Cecil rooms are way better. They're bigger. Cecil furniture is way better. But ये older property है ना Cecil से? कौन सी? नहीं मतलब प्रॉपर्टी एज इन लाइक ये स्ट्रक्चर
स्ट्रक्चर से बात
ये तो अंग्रेजों के ज़माने में क्या था?
वो दूसरा था सर, वो 1993 में बर्न हुआ था।
हाँ
सो उसके बाद उन्होंने रिकंस्ट्रक्शन की 1996 से। सो 2012 में इसकी जो कंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीट हुई, उसके बाद भी अभी तक 24 इयर्स ओल्ड प्रॉपर्टी है।
राइट ओके बट इन्होंने लुक दिया जैसे ब्रो दिस इज entirely constructed by Oberoi. Yeah, the original Lord Kitchener or whatever that guy's thing got burnt down.
It, I think, got burnt down. So they probably would have, because this doesn't look like somebody's, like this has been built like a hotel.
Yeah. Hermanos, it is seriously cold. Like seriously cold, man. It's about 20 degrees or lesser, but then man's just feeling cold. Gonna grab a jacket now. Gonna grab something warm now, and then we're headed downstairs for a cup of tea. Dekho ji, one side is Karan Gulati and one side is Jasmine Kaur, and that's how we've packed. Sharing is caring. बहुत random packing की थी हमें. So this is something sporty. This is a lovely sweater. And this is a lovely sweater. So I don't know which one to go for. Right, I think I'll go for this for now. Just have to flip this. You see what happens by the end of the day is the pug is like all over the place because I don't tie it very tight. But this sweater is so warm. I think it's wool or something, like a total good investment. Now I'm gonna have a sandwich and then after that we'll see, do a light workout and stuff. But happy to be here. The property is pretty empty. They said there's only 15 rooms booked out of 85. So yeah, we're happy to be here. The weather is beautiful. It's not raining. Life is good. We're grateful to the Almighty. Oi, oi, the sweaters are out. Mr. Boss, ये तो पहली बार देखी है मैंने. Jacket. It looks so nice.
आपको बहुत बढ़िया है.
It looks beautiful on you.
ये लो.
Thank you, Bapu's Canning Bakery. Let's go. So our plan, we've just ordered tea and coffee for myself and a kathi roll, and then we're gonna go back to the room and relax, right? So that's pretty much the plan for the evening. We'll fire going in the balcony.
In the balcony?
Yeah.
Oh, like that side thing. Oh, then I can work also the side.
So we'll get a. We're jalayenge na. So they'll do that, and we
You
can
have to
chill.
admit it to your audience that Jasmine's the better judge of making choices.
Yeah, she insisted on the mehenga wala kamra, and I'm like, "Kyun kharch rahi hai bhai?" So anyway, good choice. They'll put extra chairs and stuff. But anyway, that's pretty much our day. Tomorrow I'll show you more of the property, the pool, the gym, etc. The gym is very unappealing. Let's see when we wake up. No non-negotiables tomorrow. I'm gonna take it easy peasy. But hope you enjoyed the journey from Dehradun to Shimla, and the hotel's pretty stunning. We'll just take it easy and vibe. That's the plan. This is exactly what we came for: to chill, work, relax. You know, just see the rising Himachal sun. That's it.